I think we're ready. We're positioned to purchase.
The reason that we came out with what we did is because I wanted something that was simple, something that my kids could use. So my kids, my eldest is a 12-year-old and she does the lemonade stands in the summer. And I had her actually go out to a show last summer with our JetMini just to teach her business, but show her how easy it is to do $1,000 in revenue, And now the whole point is that it's fun and the customer's doing it. It's immersive, it's interactive, and the room for error is much less, and it enables us and the entrepreneurs that are using the technology to do what they enjoy, which is selling.
So I know my way around things a lot. And I will tell you, one of the most attractive things to me about your business is you've bulletproofed this thing and you've got it figured out. Hey, thank you so much.
See you.
Super excited. And I just feel like I'm talking to a movie star here, man. I love your videos. Keep them up.